Welcome to another week of word squares. We are here doing Unit 6, Week 1. Remember, the better we get at vocabulary, the better readers and writers we will be. I will read the word. I will sound it out for you. I'll define it, give you an example, and then a question. All right? You ready? All right, here we go. First word is strands. Strands. Stir-ands. Go ahead and write the word. All right. Your definition for strands is strands can be lengths of string, yarn, hair, or similar materials. Go ahead, pause it, and write it. All right, our example. Every night, Alexa combed and braided the long strands of her hair. Pause it. Go ahead and write it. All right, here's your question, the first question. What materials occur as strands? Tell me about it. Use it in a sentence. Make sure you rewrite the question in the answer. And try to pick something a little bit different, not something everybody else is using, all right? All right, go ahead. Pause it. All right, so that was our first word. Our next word kind of doesn't have anything to do with our location today. It's a little dry out here. And so our next word is soggy. Sog-y. Or soggy. Yeah, I think that's it. Soggy. Go ahead and write it. Your definition is soggy means soaked full of water. Yeah, we are pretty dry here. Go ahead, pause it, write it. Your example is your clothes may feel soggy in the rain. Well, cue to rain, but it never came. All right, go ahead and write that down. Your question is, what is a synonym for soggy? Synonym for soggy. Go ahead, write it, pause it. All right, our next word, number 3, is slumped. Slumped. Go ahead and write that. Slumped. Slump. Slump? Yeah. All right. Definition. Slumped means not sitting or standing up straight. So, slumping, this is not slumping. Slumped. I am not slumped. Yeah. Go ahead, write that. Your example is Jake slumped so far down in his chair we couldn't see him. It's kind of hard to do that on those exercise balls. Well, some of you can do it. All right, pause it, write it. All right, here's your question. Can you show how a person slumped in a chair might look? Oh, interesting. How can you show? So, I think you're going to have to draw a picture. Draw a picture of someone slumped in a chair. That'll be interesting for you guys. We haven't done pictures for a while. All right, go ahead and pause it and draw. All right, our last word for today is gigantic. Gigantic. Go ahead and write it. Your definition is gigantic means very, very big. Yeah, rock. Very, very big. Go ahead and pause and write it. All right, your example is whale sharks are gigantic fish. I don't think we're going to find any pictures of gigantic fish here today. Go ahead and pause it and write it. And the question is, name an antonym for gigantic. We did a synonym. Now you need to find an antonym for gigantic. Go ahead, pause it, write it. All right, that's your first 4 words for Unit 6, Week 1. Get it done. We'll see you tomorrow. See ya. Bye.